Hello, it's your girl Bad on BP, and this is gonna be a Boxy Charm unboxing like no other because I have a Boxy Charm box from frickin' April and May, and we're just gonna unbox it together, okay? So let's first go over the April 2021 box. It says Sweet Treats right here. For those of you who don't know what Boxy Charm box is a subscription makeup and beauty service where you get a box sent to your door every freaking month. And if you like to save your beautyista on a budget, for no more than $30 a month, you can get items that are worth more than $120 a month in total. So you give about 5 items that are worth much more than what you're paying for a subscription. So in my April box here, I've got some Touch in Sol Sorbet Primer. Touch in Sol locks in your looks in place and keeps them cool with this icy sherbet primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. It's silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Okay, look at it. It looks very pretty. So let me find out. Hold on. It says silicone free, which I don't mind primers with silicone, to be honest. It does have a very rosy smell to it. Is it comparable to Smashbox primer? That's the real question. So this definitely has that rose water smell to it. I wonder how my foundation is gonna sit on top of this. This is why I don't like to put on my makeup before I do my Boxy Charm, because I kind of go with the flow that's in the box. I've also got the Eloise Get Taming Body Glow Illuminator worth $38. It's a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body with a dazzling buildable glow. Its transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. This might be something, I'm not a big glow girl, okay? And I know a lot of glow girls. I know a lot of girls that are like addicted to that glow. You know what I'm saying? Like they've got to have some shininess to their foundation, their lotion. Me, I barely do highlighter. I ain't even gonna lie. Ooh, but the Eloise Get Gleaming, look at how that comes out. All right. Oh yeah, you see it. It's the shiny for me. Okay, Eloise. What else is in this April box? The Terre Redition Body Cleanser. It's an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts infusion with verbena oil. What the hell is verbena oil? Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens skin. I know aloe vera is very good for skin, but the fact that Boxy Charm gives out a body cleanser product too, I like that. It's got coffee extract, which I know is really good for scrubbing the skin. I'm gonna have to see about this. Yes. Laura Gellar Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick, and it's a metallic lipstick in the color Broadway Glitz. This lipstick goes for retail at $21. And my goodness, look at that iconic purple right there. Like, oh, look at how that swatches. So I don't know how that registers to a girl like me. I don't know. I have to be pretty daring to do this. This is something I would do as an eyeshadow, honestly. But I'm just showing y'all the April box. What's left in the April box is the Ayanna eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. This retails for $48, okay? Okay, the Ayanna palette is, you know, basically sexy brown nudes. It's got 2 metallics and some neutral browns. They're not very warm, so I don't know how they work for me in the summer. You get 5 eyeshadows, retailing for $48. I could work with that for the summer. We've unboxed the April palette. What is the May palette hitting for? I have an Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Retails for $74, guys. And if you get the BoxyCharm box for like under $30 a month, you get one thing that's worth $74 amongst 4 other items in the box. That's crazy. And I know Murad is a well-known skin brand. So detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. Wow, so you get an overnight detoxing moisturizer. Oh, the city skin. You know, I'm a city girl, so having that city skin is kind of important. Okay. Can't be, you know, can't be finessing but look like you stressing. You know what I'm saying? City girls gotta have this Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. You'll see me use my skin products on my social media, so make sure that you follow your girl on Instagram, TikTok, etc. because I do not like do thorough skin products on YouTube as much, aside from my stories, but follow me on Instagram and TikTok and you already get that on my stories, so that's all I'm saying. I got even more skin products. My daily dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, which is a coenzyme that's really good for heart health. That's why I always suggest for my over 50 and up people to get NutriBurst Plus, which is infused with coenzyme Q10, which is known to lower the blood pressure by about 10 points. Just saying. Yes, this has coenzyme Q10, hyaluronic acid, encapsulated serums from Japan. And this is from Skin Inc. supplement bar. My daily dose of Uplift. This is a $65 bottle of skin serum tonic, okay? Coenzyme Q10, collagen, hyaluronic acid, anti-aging, power punch. Good to know. I am very curious about this cocktail though. We have the Ciate London bronzer. Ooh, this is a bamboo bronzer, but you know, I'm already a kind of bronze gal. Ooh, look at this compact. Like, you get this pretty compact. I mean, it's very glamorous. Okay. It's a little more neutral than the bronze that I usually use, you see? It's a little lighter. This might be more of a winter bronzer for me. This retails for about $28. Yeah, this is nice. This is something I would use for somebody who's a little bit more high yellow than me. A white girl, an Asian girl, this will bronze them very well, or a high yellow. I'm not high yellow right now because we're in the pre-summer glow, so I'm a little bit more tan than I usually am in the winter. Cab Cosmetics. Ooh, and I get a Kabuki brush. The Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette from Cab Cosmetics. This retails for about $52, guys. I just can't get over the fact that people can actually subscribe to BoxyCharm and get all these beauty goodies. Like, if you're addicted to beauty, but you want beauty for less, you want to stay on trend, but you don't want it to hurt your pockets, like BoxyCharm is it. Woo! Yes, the colors. It's a lot of metallic in here for me, to be honest. But I mean, this palette comes with a mirror. Look at that, guys. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3. That's 18 eyeshadows. This is a $58 palette. I mean, they're beautiful colors. I will say that they're all very neutral. I'm somebody that knows how to work with them. You know, if you have a good eye primer and you add water to your eyeshadow, these will definitely hit for you. But I used to be a professional makeup artist, so I know how to add on to some things, but for people who don't, this might not be for them already, I'm telling you, because the palettes are very, very soft and beautiful, but they're not as pigmented as you might like them to be. I'm just saying. But you are getting a $58 palette in a $20 box amongst 4 other products. So you get the little Kabuki brush with this too. Just saying. So I'm gonna put a little look on for you guys, and then I'll come back and we will discuss. I put a little bit of makeup on, if you didn't notice. But I use Dusk. I put cocoa in my crease, and I use Dusk on my lid. And then I put a little bit of Golden Hour on the inner eye, corners of my eye. And then I used Espresso from my MAC Warm palette on the outside of my eye. Added a little eyeliner, my lash, and that's what I did with the eye. I feel sexy and sultry, and I'm in love. So I think that it's safe to say that I really loved the May BoxyCharm box, even over the April BoxyCharm box. You guys got to see my April and May BoxyCharm unboxing at once. You guys let me know what you think. Which one was hitting for more? Was it the April or was it the May? You know there's no community without the you and the I, so make sure y'all check out my social media so you can see when I'm using those body products that I'm not using on my face. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe so you can hear more from your girl later. And in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl, Bad Aunt BB, over and out.